President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has formally accepted the resignations of Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin and Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amena Pangandaman. Both officials respectfully offered and tendered their resignations out of delicadeza, after their departments were mentioned in allegations related to the flood control anomaly currently under investigation, and in recognition of the responsibility to allow the administration to address the matter appropriately.
Masarap pakinggan, yung out of delicadeza. Pero hindi naman totoo yan. Hindi ako nag-resign. The only letter that I sent regarding my position na wala na was that letter I signed yesterday late afternoon. Na sinabi ko, I bow to the prerogative of the President. Yung submit to the prerogative of the President to replace me. Kasi that is the nature of my tenure at the pleasure of the President. So wala, I will not also validate na may resignation ako kung wala. Somebody, a close friend of mine, at least as far as I know, called me up in the morning, mga siguro before 12 o'clock. To tell me na I am to go to leave as executive secretary, exit na ako. So sabi ko walang problema yan. I will accept that because I'm only serving at the pleasure of the President. Ang akin lang is when they make an announcement about my personal like did I resign or not, they should have consulted me first. Courtesy yan, di ba? Huwag naman yung i-announce na lang nila, you are the last to be told. Tapos naging reality na, ang hirap sumagot sa tao, sa mga tanong. I felt bad somehow, but I am not going to waste time worrying about the nuance or the way they did it because maybe they were also under instruction or given the impression na mayroon akong resignation. I cannot blame them for that. Yung Office of the Executive Secretary does not have anything to do with insertions or budget. Our own budget, yun ang sinusubmit namin. Pero yung makikialam kami sa budget ng ibang agency, hindi namin ginagawa yan. Hindi namin kasama sa aming trabaho yan. If Senator Lacson has the evidence, well, we will respect his declaration there. Pero sa tingin ko lang, kung batay lang sa mga kwento ni Saldico at saka ni Bernardo, hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na naniniwala ako kagad. Alam mo, naging judge, abogado ako at naging judge ng matagal. Itong mga bagay na ito, yung mga paratang na ganito, should ultimately be established in court.